Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find out the money you owe to Centrelink using the Centrelink app on your mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video, shall we? Alright, as you normally would, head on over to your Centrelink app on your phone. And now what you need to do is make sure to sign in. So I'm going to click on sign in. And then I'll need to put in my 4-digit PIN code here and then click on sign in. So I'll go ahead and do that. All right, it's logging me in. All right, I'm now signed in to Centrelink, as you can see. So to find out money you owe, what you want to do, you've got these tabs on the bottom of your page. Click onto more. And then here, around about halfway down the page, it's got money you owe. So you need to click into that. And then it will take you to your Centrelink account online. So click on OK. Now this is going to log you into the web version of Centrelink. And then as you can see, you'll be able to see the money you owe on this page here. I currently don't owe any money. And if you don't owe any money, your page will look like this. But if you think you do owe Centrelink money, just give them a phone call or click on contact us and then get them to help you out. All right, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.